Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve the set 1 of SimCat 2. Those who have given it, you can directly watch the solution. Those who haven't can pause this video and try to solve this set. Okay. Now you can also have the look at the questions. So these are the questions. You can take a screenshot and you can solve, and thus you can move towards the video. Okay. So these are the 4 questions which were asked. Now let's move to the video. So the question says that all the courtiers in the court of an emperor have a few gold coins with them. The courtiers have been divided into 8 groups according to the number of gold coins they have as follows. So we have been given a table, and we have been given the gold coins according to which the groups are formed. Let's see the interpretation of the table. The number of gold coins with all the members of the group 1 lies between 1 and 10 both inclusive. Okay. There is at least one person having 1 gold coin and at least one member having 10 gold coins in group 1. Other entries in the table are to be similarly interpreted. Okay, so if it is saying that one is there in group 1 with 1 coin and one is there in group 1 with 10 coins, then one will be there in group 2 with 11 and one with 20, one with 21 and one with 30. Similarly, others for others. Between them or with them, there can be other group members also. Okay, so it is known that the number of members of each group cannot be more than 10. The number of members in different groups can be different. The exact number of courtiers is not known. Okay. Other additional is for it is the additional information for question 3 and question 4, so we do not need to read it as of now. Let's move towards the question. Let's check out the question. So it says if there are 40 courtiers, what can be the maximum average number of gold coins with the courtiers? See, now there are 40 courtiers, and also we know with the interpretation of the table as it said that there is one person with 1 and one person with 10, there is one person with 11 and one person with 20. So with this we can say that every group will have a minimum of two courtiers. So that means all groups will have 16 courtiers. Okay. Now we need 24 more courtiers. How will we get 24? See, you have to maximize the average. For maximizing the average, the total should be maximum. How can you maximize the total? You can maximize the total by dividing these 24 people in such a way that they are going into the largest groups. Okay. Acha, we have been given that there is one person with 71 and one person with 80. Okay, so two people are already there. We need to settle in 8 more people. How can you settle 8 more people? Will it be 71, 72, 73, 74 and so on up till 80, 10 people like this? Or how will the 8 people be consumed? See, it has been given that there is at least one member having 10 gold coins, but it is not said that there is exactly one member. So at least one member means that we can assign more people to 10 gold coins. Okay, similarly in group 8 we can assign more than one people to 80 gold coins. So what we will do is we will assign all those 8 people which can come in group 8 80 coins. So total the total number of people with 80 gold coins will become 9, and there will be one person with 71. The next 8 we will give them 70 because that is the maximum of group 7, and to the next 8 remaining last 8 we will give them 60. Okay, so how will our calculation be? Our calculation will be like there are 9 people with 80 and there is one guy with 71. There are 9 people with 70 and one with 61. There are 9 people with 60 and there is one with 51. After that it is 1 plus 10 plus 11 plus 20 plus 21 plus 30 plus 31 plus 40 plus 41 plus 50. So this is how our total observations will read as. So 9, 10, 19, 20, 29, 30. 30 के बाद this will be 2, 2, 4, 34, 36, 38 and 40. So the total, when you do the total, you will get 2328. Okay, and the average would be divided by 40, so the average will come out to be 58.2. So your answer will be for this question, will be between 58 and 59. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. Now let's move to the second question. The second question says if the number of members in all groups is more than 2, and within each group the number of gold coins with the members of the group form an arithmetic progression greater whose common difference is more than 1, what is the average of the number of coins with the courtiers? Okay. Acha, we have to form a common difference in every group, and that common difference will be the same, okay, for everyone. Now what we are going to have is, we know, if let's say for group 1, we know that there is one person with 1 gold coin, and we know that is one person with 10 gold coins. Okay. Now we know that the last term is going to be 10 and the first term is going to be 1. We have to make AP. We cannot make our AP, sorry guys, we cannot make our AP in a way 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, because it is said the common difference has to be greater than 1. So let's check with 3. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 is not coming. So this is not a valid one. Okay. This is not a valid one. Next what we can do is, not next what we can do is we can check for 4. So let's check it for 4. So if we have 1, then we will have 7, and after that we will have 10. Now we are getting a valid case. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Let's check it out. We need to be sure that there is no other possibility. Let's say for, then check for 5. So 1, 5, 9. There's no 10 in this, not a possible case. Let's check for 6. 1, 6, 11. Now it has exceeded 10 and 10 is not there. So that means there is not going to be any possibility other than this 1, 4, 7 and 10. So in other groups similarly it would be 11, 14, 17 and 20. Similarly after this it will be let's say 21, 24, 27 and 30 and so on. In the last group it will be 71, 74, 77 and 80. Okay, so it will go on like this. Now you will take the sum of these. The sum will come out to be 1296. And how many people are there? There is 4 people in one group. There are 8 groups, so the total would be 32 people. So let's calculate the average. The average will come out to be 40.5. So we will have, our answer will be between 40 and 41. So this will be a correct answer. Now before moving to the third question, let's read the additional information about question 3 and question 4. Uh, so the question 3 and question 4, the additional information is that the emperor appointed a council of advisors consisting of one member from each of the 8 groups. That means the total number of people will be 8. The average number of gold coins with the members of the council of advisors is 43. Okay, so the average is given, the total members are known, so we can find out the total value. Okay. After 2 months, the emperor dropped one member from the council, because of which the average number of gold coins with the members of the council became 47. After that, there will be 7 members and the average is 47. Again, we can easily find out the total. Let's see what additional is given. The very next day, the emperor appointed 3 other members to the council, after which the average number of gold coins with the members of the council became 40. Okay, so again in the last thing we will have we were having 7, 3 are added, that means total will be 10 and average will be 40, so the total will be 400, easily calculated. Let's see what the question says. To which group does the member who was dropped from the council belong? A very easy question, I would say. See, earlier you had 43 people, 43 average with 8 people. So your total was 344. Okay. After removal, you have 47 average with 7 people. That is 329 total. That means a person with 15 gold coins were removed. Okay. A person with 15 gold coins was removed. So a person with 15 gold coins would come in group 2. So a very simple question. Your answer is group 2. That is your correct answer. Let's move to the fourth question. To which group can that 3 new members of the council belong to? Okay. So we currently we have a total as 329. Okay. After that, as it said, there will be 10 people and the average is 40. So the total is 400. So those 3 people have a total of, let's say, A plus B plus C is equal to 71. Okay, they are equal to 71. Now let's see from which all groups can they belong. Can they belong to group 4? Is it possible that any one of them belongs to group 4? Let's say that 2 are from group 3. Okay, 2 are from group 3 and 1 is from group 4. है ना? So what will happen is, let's assign the minimum value to group 3. So it will be 21 and 21. है ना? So it will be 42. After that only 29 will be left, which is not possible from group 4. Thus we can say that in case of taking 2 members from the minimum value of group 3, we are also getting the third member as the maximum value of group 3. So we can conclusively say that all the 3 members of the new members of the council will belong to group 3, and that will be your correct answer. So with this set is done. I hope you have understood it well. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll meet in the set 2. So thanks for watching, guys.